Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Living Irving. This is Latanya Irving. Today will be a all natural look. It's all about that skin because I'm all about that skin. Springtime's here. Let's get that skin glowing and healthy looking. So if you like to see what I'm about to do, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil in the number 14 and filling it in with the dip brow in the color dark brown. Just filling in my brows. Okay, next I'm taking my LA Pro concealer and it's in the color creamy beige, and I'm just applying that as a base and setting it with the Too Faced Peach setting powder. Just setting that so it doesn't crease on my lids. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. This is the color Orange Soda and Burnt Orange. I'm using as a transition color at the top of my crease, all over the crease. Now the color Tempera on the brow bone to highlight. And I will take a brush and blend that on out, a fluffy brush. Next, I'm taking a Sephora flat brush and I'm using Glistening. This is a goldish champagne color, placing it all over the lid. Next, I am going to blend that out and I'm going to take the color Mulberry, which is a burgundy-ish, reddish color, and just putting that on the outer V and blending that out. Now I'm just placing mascara, preparing for lashes. This is MAC. And then now I'm taking NARS All Day Luminous Foundation, the color Syracuse, applying that with a brush by Real Techniques, following along with my beauty blender, and that just helps blend the product to blend in better. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights Face Illuminator Bronzer. I'm using this as bronzer today. It gives you such a healthy glow. Words cannot describe how bomb this product is. It just has such a natural feel. Now I'm just lightly powdering my face, not too heavy. I want to glow. And then I am taking this blush in Luminoso by Milani. It is so pretty. And applying lip gloss now by MAC. It's something really old that I've had for a very long time. It's been discontinued. Now it's time to glow up, girl, with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. This highlighter is super bomb and very affordable. And this is going to complete this natural look. This is such a pretty look. You can wear it to work, you can wear it out. It's simple, it's just youthful. I love it. I love how it turned out. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.